After the break, whenever a festival like Diwali or Eid or Holi is coming up, people rush to Indian fashion stores hunting for the perfect outfit. Many a times you never find what you are really looking for, especially if it's at the last minute. The new fashion store in Dubai has put many such shoppers at ease. Label 24 has a huge variety of exquisite ethnic garments for men and women. And tonight, let's focus on menswear. Label 24 holds renowned international designers under one roof. Some of them Abdul Haldar, Rohit Kamra, Priya Kataria Puri, Rocky S and Ritu and Vicky from One Chic and many more. This store can grab your attention from afar with the shopping windows displaying beautifully made tunics, dresses in gorgeous color combinations and much more. Tonight, we are showcasing menswear by Ritu and Vicky from their label One Chic. So, from the basic kurta pajama to the most stylish fusion wear and traditional sherwanis and jodhpuris, you can find it all here at Label 24. Established in 1985, One Chic has been dedicated to men's fashion. Right from the beginning, the emphasis has been on style, elegance, quality and fineness. One Chic is a men's fashion empire to the true sense, known for their customized design and cuts to match needs and style. Some of the striking aspects of this collection are fit cuts and knee-length sherwanis that ensure that the overall look makes for a ravishing ensemble.
One Chic, as you're aware, we are dedicated to menswear for the last 20 years. And when we design menswear, we think of the metrosexual man with all his positive sensibilities, with his modern outlook. And keeping that man in mind, that's how we design our collections over and over year again. Well, I'm really proud to be associated with Label 24. I feel it's given a wonderful opportunity to Indian designers to showcase their collection season by season. We concentrate mostly on entire family weddings, and when that comes to it, I must say that we have done a lot of celebrity weddings wherein we've designed the entire wardrobe for the men. And even this season, summer wedding collection is really concentrates on colors and brings out the pastels of the season. We basically deal with very rich Indian textures. We try to bring out the ethnic values of our fabrics. We do not concentrate on embellishments, but quality and richness and texture is what we year in year concentrate on.
And from men's fashion, we go over for the launch of the multi-label fashion house, Collage. An exclusive Pakistani boutique called Collage, featuring 12 designers, recently opened in Barsha. The much-awaited store was opened by Pakistani supermodel Nadia Hussain. And the designers whose beautiful creations are displayed there include Saim Al for Saim, Nadia Siddiqui for Shaya, Rana Noman Haq for Platform, Ana Ali for Lajwanti, and many more. The store opened with great excitement, and style divas of Dubai are thrilled with this new boutique.
Collage basically means a collection of art or a collection of different pieces of art. So fashion is an art, and it was my dream to have a place called Collage. We've got a very good mix of designers. We've got designers from Pakistan, who are coming from Karachi and Lahore. Then we've got girls from Dubai, and so it's a very good mix. We've got a Qatari lady who does beautiful abayas and gowns, and then we've got accessory designers who do Turkish jewelry, who do Lebanese jewelry. So it is honestly a collage.
This collection, which I'm actually showcasing in Dubai for the first time, which I'm very excited. It's my Intoxicated collection, and it's my latest collection, especially for Dubai and Collage. And this collection is, I'm actually playing with the colors, and it's a blend of East and West. Whatever color you are actually seeing right now, they are my very favorite colors, and I love Asian women to look beautiful and gorgeous in red and oranges and brown and blue and all that stuff.
Basically, Shaya is a new brand. I've just come into this for about 2 years before. We work from Karachi, and in this collection of Shaya, we just mixed in different stuff. We cater mostly for young women, confident women. Yeah, we don't emphasize more on the work. The cut should be classy, and the way you should be able to carry yourself. So more emphasis on the cuts and light work.
We've brought in Platform in collaboration with Collage here, and Platform is a multi-designer store in Lahore, and we operate and we promote young talent and designers, and we've brought 6 designers under this umbrella right here with Collage, and the market here is brilliant, and people are really looking forward to seeing good clothes, and that's what we're bringing here.
My collection is based on cuts. It has very pastel colors with slight handwork on it. Plus, I add a little screen print on it to give it a little touch.
It's great to see fresh new talent coming up. I'm always in favor of supporting good work.
Collage is a wonderful platform for all designers actually, and it's a wonderful venture by Zareen.
Collage is a very nice concept where you can find all the Pakistani dresses under one roof.
Here at Collage, I found really different sorts of varieties in clothes. So, different materials have been used. A lot of different designers are there from Pakistan. They came over here. They've showcased their collection. A lot of different work is there.
I think it's a really great idea to have all the different designers here, and they're not the usual everyday designers that you're used to seeing from Pakistan. They're all new people.
And now a good news. Platform from Collage is giving you a chance to win a beautiful outfit. All you have to do is answer the simple question. And the question is, what's the name of the exclusive Pakistani boutique at Barsha? A. Collage, B. Couture, C. Creations. Log on to our website highlivedubai.ae or SMS on 6127 to send in your answers. जल्दी कीजिए और तब तक हम लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break. See you in a bit. Join us after the break to take a look at the newest offering from Cisco, the no wire, no cables, flip camera, followed by an evening of beautiful colors from the beautiful people at Mawahib Art Gallery.